very important, guys. This is what they keep in mind. So let's say, they want 10 reports to be created, and each report on an average, 4 days are required. Okay. Actually, according to them, 4 days. According to us, it requires, minimum say 6 to 7 days time. That much complex one they want to create it in a 4 days only. And then 10 reports, let's say, 10 reports, 4 days, 40 days are required. 40 days, this is the duration, overall duration. But if I put 1%, he requires 40 days. But why don't you put 4%? Right? 4 divided by 40, how much? 10 days. Duration, reduce the duration from 40 days to 10 days. 10 days, I want the report. I don't know what. Let's say, out of 10 reports, 4 people are there. So here, let's say 10 divided by 4, how much? 2 reports falling on your head. The 2 reports you need to be completed in 10 days. Sometimes manage what they do, right? They put only 2 people, and 10 days you need to complete it. Right? So those kind of issues will be there. The quick turnaround time should be there. Okay. So what is your next question? Nilesh, you are asking something.
Okay. So I was asking that.
So for this thing, what I was trying to say is why I explained this one was you need to be fast, and there should not be bug and all. Error should be there. It should be something like cosmetic, little bit error. Okay. If it is a serious issue, then they will escalate it. Okay. It's the biggest problem. So they by keeping in mind, they want to check whether you have really worked on the project or not. First, they will check the genuineness, how genuine your profile. Okay, this guy seems to be RSA token, everything used, everything is fine, good. So fine. Then okay, next round is your technical round. Technical round, they'll start with the basic question. Why did you use it? What is sync slicer? Why did you use sync slicer? What is the advantage of it? And when did you use it? Can you give me a scenario? Okay, and how did you do that? Next step is, okay, it's something like you take, what is a cake, right? What is a plum cake? Okay, why you need to prepare a plum cake? Because let's your friend is liking plum cake. Okay, how you prepare it? When you prepare it? So the same thing applicable everywhere, right? They'll ask these kind of thing here. That's all. Yeah, tell me now. Now, and the difference they'll ask. What is the difference between top N and rank X? Here also we can say top 3 customers. By doing a ranking also we can see the top 3. But in the case of top N, it will not give you row level, right? Row level it will not go. Whereas rank X will return the row level ranking. Difference they'll ask. Compare, and then limitation they'll ask. What are the limitations? Are the licensing limited? The free version up to 10 GB data only, but per file only 1 GB data you can store it in the case of free version. But what licensing you are using it in your customer place? We're using pro license, premium. You tell them you are working on using premium license. Customer, they are using premium license because it's all enterprises. They're using millions and millions of records, right? The screening part, they'll ask the version number, like version 15, SQL Server 2019. I've been using it for the last 4 years. Okay. And then the Power BI, you just go and check the version. Okay. And then that's all. Okay. And next thing is they'll ask you about this one. Okay. The basic questions. Okay. And that's all. And like scenario based. And then they will jump into scenario based question. Can you tell me what is moving average? Rolling average, how can you find out? Okay. I want everything to be. So this is all very dynamic, right? The users are allowed to select any months. Based on this, that many number of months values are displayed here. It's very dynamic. Okay, so these are the things they list. Scenario based. These are kind of scenario based, advanced thing. Scenario based thing they'll ask. I'll share today's report also. Okay, you take a look at this one and then say I shown you how to check what columns that you use it, what measures that you use it in my visual. How to check that one, also explain it to you. You watch it, okay, and then practice. That's why, guys, I say whenever I cover the topics, as and when I complete, right, you practice it. Yes, Satya, go ahead. I unmuted it. Go ahead. What question?
Hello?
Yes, Satya.
Sir, your talking is good, but my situation, I passed out 2013. I working in many field, but my experience is 1.5, 1.8. When I before maybe I attend on interview, ask me